how do you create that clear vision? Maybe you can expand.
Yeah. How do you come up with that clear vision, man? It takes a lot of work. I'll tell you that. Like, it takes a lot of effort. Um, because you have to sit down with your thoughts and actually figure out, okay, like, what is it that I actually want to achieve, right? So for me, you know, there's been many, many moments where I had to sit down and think about what it was I was trying to achieve and then deconstruct the thing going backwards, right? So at first it's like, okay, well, I want to be an actuary, right? That's, 10, 12 years ago, that was the case. Like, I want to be an actuary. Great. Well, how do I become an actuary? Well, first I need to find a community of actuaries and talk to them and find out about their journey and then see what kind of advice they give me and then collate all of that advice and kind of come up with a plan for yourself, right? But it all starts, I mean, it starts with just the realization that you got yourself stuck in some type of a position, right? And once you figure out, okay, like, you own up to the fact, like, you know what, like, I got myself stuck. I'm in a position that I don't like I'm working a shitty job. I'm doing something I do not care about. And I'm just complacent and I'm just living every day like it's the same day without any real clear vision or goal. Acknowledge that fact. And then from there, it's like, all right, cool. Let me figure out a plan.
Right.
Let me figure out where in my day I am misusing time and then figure out how I can use that time to set me up to get to where I want to go. Right.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, like, it doesn't matter if it was trying to become an actuary. It doesn't matter if it was trying to learn Python or machine learning or become a data scientist or learn anything. It was just coming to a realization that I was stuck and I need to formulate a plan and spend every waking minute that I have attacking that plan, right? And it doesn't matter if you got a full-time job, doesn't matter if you got family, wife, and kids. Wake up early and you start just doing the thing, right? And just attack like your life depends on it. And I don't know, man. It's I don't know if that's answering the question there, but I think it just starts with just realizing that, if you're in a position that you feel like you got yourself stuck, acknowledge that fact, figure out where it is you're trying to go, devise a plan to get there. And that plan might be listening to other people's story. It might be reading blog posts. It might be, reading people's posts on LinkedIn or reaching out to people, figuring out how they did it.